Adding a payment gateway to your WooCommerce website involves configuring a plugin that connects your store to a payment service provider. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a payment gateway. Select a payment gateway compatible with WooCommerce, such as Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, or Square. Ensure it supports your target audience's currencies and regions. Install the payment gateway plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for the payment gateway plugin. Click Install Now, then Activate. Configure the payment gateway. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. Locate the newly installed gateway in the list and click Setup or Manage. Enter the required details such as API keys, client secrets, and account credentials. These can be obtained from the payment gateway provider's dashboard. Customize options like transaction settings, supported currencies, and test mode if required. Test the integration. Enable the payment gateway sandbox or test mode to simulate transactions and verify functionality without real payments. Enable the gateway. Once tested, switch to live mode and ensure the payment gateway is enabled in the WooCommerce payment settings. Publish and accept payments. Your WooCommerce store is now ready to process transactions via the selected payment gateway.